Hello friends, welcome to Handmade Desire World. Before we start, you can click on subscribe button right here if you're not subscribed to our channel yet, and click the bell. In this way you can get notification whenever we publish a new video. So let's begin with today's tutorial, how to make this beautiful handmade card for New Year. We hope you enjoyed today's video, how to make handmade card for New Year. If so, feel free to like, share and comment. You can ask anything related to this handmade card for New Year in the comment section down below. You can also find more interesting ideas in our channel. Thanks for watching, bye!